Mic check, mic check. We don't have our mirrors. I don't know if my mic is connected or not. Anyway, what's up? Right now we are going to restore our bike, repair our bike. Like I said, I had some fork seal leaking issues. I need to go fix them along with other issues as well. We are on our way to the mechanic. I hope he takes my bike right now. I had called him yesterday that I'll come today. Let's see. The bike feels very aggressive to ride without the bar and weight and the mirrors. Feels sort of lighter, but it is taking some vibrations from a particular RPM, I think. Bro, it is so hot. I shouldn't have stepped out, I think. Since the suspension is gone, all the potholes are like a task. There is no rebound to the suspension. एकदम से ऐसा सीधा बॉडी में फटका लगता है. But eventually I got used to it. But I don't want to get more used to it. अब चुप जाके रिपेयर करेंगे अपन. किसी दिन आगे का व्हील चले जाएगा, बाइक हाथ में रह जाएगी. लद्दाख फॉर यू गाइस. अंधेरी का लद्दाख. If you want the address to the mechanic, he is right opposite to the Infinity Mall in Andheri, the road which goes to Oshivara and Berumbag. This road connects to JVLR, so it's just on the other side of the road. Ghanshyam bhai, आ गए हम. Where is Ghanshyam? Ghanshyam bhai. घनश्याम भाई ने दूर से स्पॉट कर लिया. घनश्याम भाई, वो ड्यूक लेके आया था सस्पेंशन के लिए. लुक्स लाइक इट्स टू बिजी आज. होएगा कि नहीं पता नहीं अपना आज. ओह फक, आई ऑलमोस्ट स्लिप्ड. मैं उस दिन आया था ना सस्पेंशन के लिए, मैंने आपको कल कॉल भी किया था. आप सामान लेके आने वाले हो क्या? हाँ, तो ये देखो क्या सीन है मालूम है क्या? सो दोनों लीक तो हो रहा है, बट ये मडगार्ड ना उधर छिपा गया लगता है, तो उसकी वजह से वो कवर भी नीचे आ रहा है. देखो मेरे को ये चेंज करने का है, मैं ये लेके आता हूँ चाहिए तो. ठीक है, कभी ले रहे हो गाड़ी फिर? 5 बजे बोल रहे हो? और ना मेरे को मतलब अपना ऑयल भी चेंज करना है, तो क्या होता है अपना हिसाब पूरा देख लेते. मैंने सब लाया है सामान उसका, तो ऑयल लेके आता हूँ. 5 बजे आ जाता हूँ पक्का. ठीक है,
एक बार फोन करके आप.
हाँ मैं फ़ोन करके आ जाता हूँ. घनश्याम भाई ने रॉयली हकाल दिया अपने को, सीधा बोला 5 बजे आओ. That also is not sure, maybe he said call and come because already both bikes है उनके पास. Why घनश्याम sir, why? Do you not like us? ये देखो मैन चोट गाने ही घुस जाओ. So I just saw a post about KTM dropping a RC 450. My God, it looks insane. I mean, I really want it now. I just want to upgrade to that KTM RC. I'll attach the image here. Bro, I instantly fell in love with it. If I had to upgrade, I would definitely upgrade to this one. I don't think so they'll launch it in India soon, maybe a year or so. But bro, definitely a segment killer. Looks sharp, looks sporty enough. I don't know how it will be on roads. But damn man, I made my mind to buy that bike. I had other plans. I definitely wanted to upgrade to a 600cc. but there is some time. Slowly. Let's see how things work out for us. Basis that will decide which one we want. But for now, we'll take care of this thing. Ooh.
A few moments later.
घनश्याम भाई बोल रहे कल आ जाओ. घनश्याम भाई ने हमें दिया है धोखा अभी. It's okay. We are used to it. धोखा खाने की आदत है अभी. So we are heading out right now. Without our mirrors, yes. थोड़ा I need to be careful while riding. बाकी सब ठीक है. Yo, we are continuing the vlog on Monday. As usual, office जा रहे हम. But the update is we have fixed our bike. The bike is so smooth now. Oh my god, I can't tell you guys. Feels new. Oh, and yes, we have also put the new mirrors. Looks cool, right? So yes, major things are done. I still need to fix the cosmetic things like indicators and the mudguard. The service center said it would take 7 days for the mudguard to come. I'll have to order it. And then फिर से हम जाएंगे घनश्याम भाई के पास ही. Because सर्विस सेंटर वाले तो हमको चूतिया बनाने निकले हैं. We'll just get it from there and fix it. The weather is very pleasant today. ऐसे वेदर में तो राइड करने का मन करता. Also, guys, even a small change makes a lot of difference, I think. I mean, I changed the fuel pump on my own. Not the fuel pump, sorry. I changed the fuel filter on my own, and oh my god, the amount of dirt it collected over the time. It was completely brown from inside, and I changed it, and I feel the bike has become a lot smoother after that. Maybe the average will also increase a bit. Let's see, we'll notice. But yeah, overall it feels very nice. I might have to change my brake pads because the brake pad must have absorbed the oil from the leakage. I'm not sure though, they work well, but again, I still don't trust. I would like to tell you all that these mirrors look aesthetically nice. They overall improve the look and feel of your bike. However, they are not as practical as your stock mirrors because they have passed a proper R&D and then only they have been placed over there. So yes, these are not as practical, but there is a good visibility in it, and plus it is an anti-glare, so I like it. Why is it cloudy over there and sunny over here? What the fuck is happening? भावा तुझा एक गोचा दुखतोय का? की तू छोटा आहेस. भावा तू छोटा आहेस. पडू नको.
Look at the bike, it looks so clean. I fixed the seal. No more leaking now. Mirrors also look good. I was in no mood to come to the office today. But ठीक है, आना पड़ रहा है. Also I knew I would get to ride my bike and vlogs. So yes, अरे लिफ्ट बंद है. उधर से जाना पड़ेगा. चलो, see you all. Bye.